Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: selling digital products, creating and marketing your own ebooks, courses and more. If you are looking to turn your knowledge, expertise or creative skills into profitable digital products, you are in the right place. In this video we will explore the process of creating and marketing digital products such as ebooks and online courses. So let's get started. Introduction to selling digital products. Selling digital products is a fantastic way to monetize your expertise and creativity. Unlike physical products, digital products can be created once and sold multiple times, making them a scalable income source. In this section, we will introduce you to the world of digital products and the potential they hold. Choosing the right digital product. The first step in selling digital products is selecting the right type of product to create. Some popular options include ebooks, online courses, templates, audio files, graphics, and software. Consider your area of expertise and the needs of your target audience when deciding on the type of digital product to create. Creating compelling content. Once you have chosen the type of digital product, it's time to create compelling content that provides value to your audience. Research your topic thoroughly and organize your content in a logical and engaging manner. Incorporate your unique perspective and experience to make your digital product stand out from the competition. Designing and formatting. The design and formatting of your digital product play a crucial role in this appeal and usability. Invest time in creating visually appealing layouts, selecting suitable fonts, and organizing the content in a reader-friendly manner. Consider hiring a professional designer or utilizing online design tools to enhance the visual appeal of your digital product. Setting a competitive price. Determining the right price for your digital product requires careful consideration. Research similar products in the market to gauge your pricing. Consider factors such as the value you provide, the depth of your content, and the expectations of your target audience. Experiment with different price points and monitor sales and customer feedback to find the optimal price. Building a sales page or website. To effectively sell your digital product, you will need a sales page or website dedicated to showcasing and promoting it. Create a visually appealing and informative page that highlights the benefits and features of your product. Include testimonials or reviews from satisfied customers to build trust and credibility. Setting up payment and delivery systems. Implementing a seamless payment and delivery system is essential for a smooth customer experience. Choose a reliable payment processor that supports digital product sales such as PayPal, Stripe, or Gumroad. Integrate the payment system with your sales page or website. Ensure that the delivery process is automated, allowing customers to access their purchased digital products immediately after purchase. Marketing and promotion. Marketing and promotion are critical to the success of your digital product. Utilize various channels to reach your target audience, such as social media, email marketing, content marketing, and collaborations with influencers or industry experts. Create engaging content, provide valuable insights, and showcase your expertise to attract potential customers. Providing exceptional customer support. Excellent customer support can make a significant difference in customer satisfaction and repeat business. Be responsive to customer inquiries, provide clear instructions on assessing and using the digital product, and address any issue or concerns promptly and professionally. A positive customer experience can lead to positive reviews and recommendations. Congratulations, you have learned valuable tips for creating and marketing your own digital products. Remember, choose a right digital product, create compelling content, design and format with care, set a competitive price, build a sales page or website, set up payment and delivery system, market and promote effectively, and provide exceptional customer support. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.